mean that it doesn't have the ability to utilize oxygen. So it go back to the same principle. Because this is my theory now. Take that, bear that in mind, is my limited understanding of it. So the way I'm using the basic understanding of what the research, the clinical trials have shown about the lack of oxygen. So when the cells are burnt up by the sun, they would have become damaged and lose their ability to utilize oxygen. So if they lose their ability to utilize oxygen,
back to the same thing, isn't it?
They'll be back to the same thing where cancer is developed. And furthermore, the whole skin having cancer now become problematic in the sense that your pores don't work very well. So your body gets even more clogged up because your skin is the biggest organ in the body. So if the cancer spread extensively on your skin, then it's preventing your body from even breathe properly in terms of your pores. Secondly, usually when your body becomes cancerous, once it's anywhere the cancer is, it always gets into the blood because your blood is what supplies everything around your body.
Yeah.
So even if let us say whichever part of the body they say have cancer, and they make it sound that's all the cancer is. But in reality, once it
can migrate easily, isn't it?
Once the cancer is wherever it is, it will get to the blood because the blood goes everywhere in your body.
Sure.
So the blood transport things around the body. So how can the cancer, for example, be in your lung but it's not in your blood? That doesn't make any sense because your blood is always transporting things around. So if the cells are cancerous, then eventually it will be in your blood. So skin cancer, I think, is because the cells were damaged by the sun. And therefore they lose their ability to use oxygen. And that is the underlying cause based on Dr. Arthur Warburg experiment in 1924, and Cancer Research UK clinical trial in 2009.
And it would apply to all cells because the body is made up of cells.
The whole body is made up, right.
It said it's over 40 different, I hope that's answered your question.
I hope that answered your question.
Because of course we're all made up. Everything is made up of
everything
cells.
Is cells, yeah.
And of course what happens, wherever the cancer person is experiencing cancer is just another name. Liver cancer, bowel cancer, kidney cancer. Because there's over 40 different types, but cancer, as we say in the beginning, cancer is cancer.
And the thing that makes you die, as I said, breast cancer doesn't kill you. It has to compromise more critical organs for you to die, because you can survive without your breasts. You can live without them. So for when you actually die from you don't die from breast cancer. You die because it's migrated and killed vital organs.
Yes.
For example,
depriving other organs from their fuel.
From their function. They can't function because there are certain organs that you can't survive without.
Yes.
You can't survive without your pancreas. Mm-hmm. You can't survive without both kidneys. You at least to have at least one.
Yes.
You can't survive without having your liver. So it has to kill vital organs have to shut down for you to die from cancer.
So basically starve the body.
Yeah, the body stops working. Because, for example, your liver.
Yes.
Without your liver, you can't live because the liver cleans your body. You will die from toxemia.
Yes.
Because the body it cleans the body of
We'll
toxin.
have to continue this next week. We've got 5 minutes left. But I wanted to say to you, could we just sort of skirt around your contributing factors there? We talk about alcohol being the third one there.
Well, lifestyle is diet.
Mm-hmm.
In a nutshell, we eat in a lot of things that are not alive.
Mm-hmm.
We eat a lot of things that doesn't give us the basic nutrients. The basic big building block of the body is vital minerals, what they call, they say vitamin mean vital minerals. Mm-hmm. So minerals, enzymes, protein, carbohydrate, but these things does not have to come from unnatural sources. Like you don't have to eat bleach white flour, because bleach white flour is flour that they have taken away the nutrient. And furthermore, they don't get rid of the bleach. So you're going to.
So what do you make of these cereals? These cereals that said they got fortified or made up nutrients.
I'm probably more too biased on that question to answer because I don't trust much of what they do in the shops. What I'm saying is that people must look to be as natural as possible in whatever they eat.
Uh-huh.
So if they're going to eat flour, eat wholemeal flour if they have to.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just saying that the book is going to tell you about what I think the correct human diet should be based on the science of the body.
Yes.
And we eat too much animal products. As start, that is a problem, major problem.
Mm-hmm.
Lifestyle, lack of sleep, stress, a lot of different things combined together can give you that problem.
Stress is a very big, very, very big one, isn't it?
But on its own, maybe not. But combined with the other bad things we do, yes.
Yes, if stress is depriving the body of nutrients, and it all adds up mathematically. Going back to the same thing again, the star post-star cell. Where can people find your book?
The book is on Amazon, basically. For now, it's just on Amazon. If they're in Wales, then if they're local, they can get it from my shop, which is 365 Willesden High Road.
Right, you said that a bit fast, actually. So where can your book be bought? Having a look at the content.
Yeah, and there's a few reviews on Amazon as well. People have done a few reviews that people can read on Amazon. Yes.
It's very enlightening. That's what I found, and it's a must-read. Would you like to come back and continue this next week? Because this is, if you're able to.
Yes, I could do that.
This is very, very informative, I found. Have you got a website at all?
No, I haven't got a website of such yet. No.
Yes.
I haven't done a website. But because people just go on Amazon or Barnes & Noble as well. Barnes & Noble also has the book. So people can buy it from there or Amazon. Most people use online stuff. Internet is commonplace for people to buy stuff these days. So.
Yes. What do you think? I just want to ask you one quick question. Because we'll be coming up to the news just now. What do you think of these? There's been so much fast foods, because that's one problem as well. But there's so many of these packaged foods in the shops now. Literally, when I said they're literally like, it's a lot more packaged foods. Onions are cut in package, potatoes. It's all there. You just have to open a plastic
that started years ago.
And that's
it started years ago when they convinced people to stop cooking.
Right. Okay.
That war has been won now.
Right.
Why bother? You're so busy. Just pop it. It's all packaged for you. Well done. So
the picture looks very untidy, and I can see why it is very possible that if lifestyle and diet, if these are contributing factors, I can see why 2050 there is a possibility that cancer rate will increase if lifestyle plays a part in this, and that is so important to go back to the kitchen and spend time and prepare the food appropriately. What's your last say on that?
Knowledge will set you free. Knowledge is power.
Yes.
You need to empower yourself with knowledge.
Yes.
So that you can make an informed decision.
Yes, absolutely. That's excellent. Well, there you go. That's the end of this lovely show. Devon is back next week. Devon Morgan is back next week. Okay, please take time out and check out this book on demystifying cancer. I am Alison Henry, and I will be back here next week talking to Devon. Okay, we'll continue this chat because it's quite interesting and very informative. My details are my mobile. Give you a mobile.